Okay, so I saw a video guy drink 3 beers in 5 seconds, and I figured, hey, I'm like twice that guy's size. I should be able to do 6. So we're gonna see. Now I don't even know. Is there a difference between bottles and cans? Are there different? I mean,
should all be 12 ounces.
Because he used cans, but I guess it really doesn't matter. It's gonna be a lot of beer.
You gotta pour it down the side so you don't get so much head.
Oh, I'm sorry. I apologize.
That would be easier for you to drink.
Professional beer. Let me do it down the side. How many is that?
That's 3.
3. Oh, that's a lot of fuzz.
Yep.
That's gonna be fun. It's gonna burn my teeth. Yes, burn. Cold burns. You gotta get the cat in the video. He's in all my videos.
Here's Kai, always in every video, watching the beer drinking. Alright, beer number 6.
This is gonna be fucked up.
All that head is gonna kill you. I don't know how you're gonna do that.
Half beer, half head?
Yeah. Should like scoop some of that out or something.
Fuck it.
Alright, here we go.
You ready?
Fail. You got way more to go.
Yeah, definitely too much fuzz or foam. I'm done. What was that, like 40 seconds?
Yeah, somewhere around there, like 45, something like that. Not quite. We'll have to try this again.